Okay, this is our original Glow Collagen versus our new Glow M Collagen. Our original Glow Collagen is a bovine collagen, which means it comes from cows. And the building blocks of our body, if you didn't know, are comprised of mainly water and collagen. And as you get older, after your 20s, you start losing collagen like crazy. That is all of our connective tissue. Things like your joints, even your hair, skin, nails, and your bones are all consistent of collagen. As you get older, the wrinkles start setting in, but even worse, we start having more issues with our joints. We've got back pain, and we really want to keep those things supported as we go. One of the best ways you can do that is with a collagen, and we have 2 liquid collagens. The thing I love about this, there's no preparation. You don't have to mix it with water. You put it in a little kid's medicine cup and you drink it. Super, super quick. Our first one, this one is great for connective tissue issues like having joint pain. If you are looking for hair, skin, and nails as well, urinary incontinence, I've heard, is a great supportive measure for that because that's held up by collagen as well. There's many different factors that come into play with this one. This is a large peptide protein. It's got 10 grams of protein in it, 11 grams of collagen peptides. Our original collagen is great if you're looking for a macroscopic approach to your body, and that is your goal. Now, moving on to our Glow M Collagen. This is the new one. This one is coming out on June 10th. If you're watching this past June 10th, well, it's out already. This is a marine collagen. It is a smaller fragment peptide where our original Glow is 5,000 Daltons. This one is 1,000. So it's fifth the size of it, incredibly absorbable, okay? This one is a super fast, heavy hitter for what I call the vanity issues. Super fast hair growth, stronger hair growth, less bald spots. You're gonna have a lot more moisture in your skin and a lot less wrinkles very quickly with this one. This also has some hyaluronic acid to help support your joints and will be a collagen that will help with support. But this one is very, very heavy if you're looking for hair, skin, and nails, okay? This one comes in a radiant citrus, sorry. I just call it citrus. Radiant citrus. And then we also have sachets. This is a fantastic price point. So this one is comes with 30 of these sachets in a packet, okay? And you can travel with these, so that makes it super easy. This is white grape, amazingly delicious. Add this to your Activate in your daily health system, and it is a great way to get your collagen in every single day. But again, this is our Glow Marine Collagen. This one's made from fish, does not taste like fish, okay? And this is our bovine collagen made from cows. Slightly different. This is a new technology utilizing this powder because of the small peptide fragment. It's highly absorbable. All right, so those are our 2 new collagen products. This one has 30 packets in it, will last a month. Next up, Relax Drops. Anxiety, sleep issues, appetite that's out of control, okay? There's something we have in our body called the endocannabinoid system. People take cannabinoid or the endocannabinoid system and they immediately think of cannabis, marijuana, THC. Let's erase that from our brains for a minute, okay? While marijuana does have a CBD component to it, it also has THC and it has a psychoactive effect. We took that away from the hemp plant. There is no THC in here, okay? It acts on our endocannabinoid system. We all have one, okay? Our body makes endocannabinoids to keep our body in homeostasis. So it's kind of like the air traffic control system coming in, telling your body how to react to control inflammation, to stop pain, okay? Help us sleep and calm things down. So this is our Relax. It has the CBD component extracted from the hemp plant with no THC, no psychoactive effect, but all of the health benefits to improve the things that I just mentioned. Anxiety, number 1, this will calm your system, okay? Helps with your adrenals and everything like that. Also has your sleep, will help you sleep deeper REM sleep for sure, okay? I've noticed since I've been using this, I sleep like a rock, and it's almost in the morning I wake up and I can't believe it, what just hit me because I slept 10 hours. Like seriously, it's that great. This is amazing. Again, THC free. It even says it on the bottle. THC free, okay? All right, this is the next 2 products as part of our CBD line. Again, I'm gonna say this till I'm blue in the face. THC free. There's no THC in any of our products, you guys. So this takes the components of the hemp plant that have been extracted using chromatography to pull out the important components that are going to help with our endocannabinoid system and help with things like inflammation and pain. CBD is a great way to help with pain too, whether it be migraines, whether it be inflammation, whether it be joint pain, okay? So first one is our repair gel. This is a gel, okay? Looks just like this. And this is great for cuts, sunburns. I put it on many different areas of my skin. I've actually put it on my face at night as well because I have some dry patches from having eczema. This calms the skin and is amazing and will help with pain, cuts, sunburns, rashes, things like that. Amazing. This next one is our Restore. This one is a cream. Okay, it has an amazing smell to it. I've been using this as lotion when I get out of the shower because it's such a fresh, minty, it reminds me of like a minty spearmint gum. And I've been using this all over. I have a case of tennis elbow that I've been using this on as well. Any sore muscles, post-workout muscles, this will make a huge difference in how you feel after that. So again, this is our Restore cream. Smells amazing. It's not like, oh, it smells so fresh and minty. And this one is our gel. This one's great for cuts and scrapes. This one's great for deep muscle rubs. These are great. I never in a million years thought I would be loving CBD like this. To be honest, I was uneducated and slightly anti-CBD before I started learning more about how our endocannabinoid system works and what an amazing piece of wellness we have our hands on here.